Let's make some cabbage and corned beef. Start out by cutting up your cabbage. After you cut up your cabbage, go ahead and cut up your peppers, onions, scallion, thyme, and all those stuff. Yes, people. Let's go ahead and add it all in. My peppers, my onion, my thyme, all those stuff in. Yes, people. If you want to see this longer version to this video, go ahead and check out my YouTube videos. Some onion powder, some seasoning salt, some all-purpose seasoning, some abdola. Yes, people. All those seasoning on, people, nice and good and wonderful. Then I'm gonna add in my corned beef, people. Yes, people, let's go ahead and mash this corned beef out, people, nice and good and wonderful. Oh, look at that. Let's cover that so it can steam out. Yes, people, oh my god, now look at that wonderful corned beef, that cabbage, so good, so amazing. Until next time, people, like, comment, share, and most definitely follow on this video. If you want to see this full video, it will be on my YouTube channel, Cooking with Remo Jed. Go ahead and check out my YouTube channel because there's many more videos on there that you most definitely want to see.